Hey guys, I picked up this Victorinox Swiss Army. It's a fillet knife. It's a boning knife. So it's a 6-inch boning knife. And they're saying this is the makers of the original Swiss Army knife. So we're gonna see how good this thing does. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna test it out. I bought it really to fillet some salmon. So I'm gonna cut up a couple things before, see how it does, fillet the salmon hopefully, and then and see how it does after. See how long it'll hold an edge, and then how sharp it is right out of the package. How many times I have to sharpen it. Kind of give a little review of it. See how it does with everything. All right, use my other knife to cut the package open. Here is, yeah, it's pretty sharp. Let's go test it on a tomato or something. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that slices it pretty good. Let's see how thin I can get this tomato here. Oh yeah, super thin. Oh, I'm happy with that. That is nice. Yeah, I can get this tomato pretty darn paper thin. Feels good. I mean, you know, so far. We'll see how it does with the salmon. Cut that one really thin.
Nice fish. Here's a salmon that you got.
All right, now we're just going down the.
Oh, what's up?
All right, so how many things of salmon do you think how many salmon did we do? 6 full-size salmon.
Yep.
All right, and I didn't sharpen it yet, so this is straight off of cutting a whole bunch of salmon up, bones and everything. Let's just see how it cuts the paper. Wow. Okay, so that's impressive. That's pretty darn good. Let's cut this lemon up. All right, yeah, this is a nice knife as far as holding its edge. Still able to slice real thin, so it feels just like it did when it came out of the package. So very, very happy with this knife. So this is beat the heck out of it on those salmon. Cut the heads off, cut the bones. Did a great job of filleting. Didn't even have to sharpen it once, and I went through a lot of huge salmon. So there it is.